Truffoire products and healthy foods. Skincare routine that works best. Our skincare routine is like a ritual we religiously follow to look confident and healthy and see ourselves in the mirror with a genuine smile. Habits dictate how well our appearance shows, and it shouldn't stop at applying facial products such as creams, toners, and moisturizers. Pairing it with foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and nutrients will help you achieve your most beautiful self inside and out. Properly caring for our skin can counter anything that may cause unwanted changes like deeper lines, saggy skin, or damage from being out in changing weather, environmental stressors, and the scorching sun. We have an answer for that: Truffoire reviews and healthy food reviews. Here are skincare benefits featuring foods you can pair with your favorite Truffoire skincare products to help you reach your skin's best potential. Your edible UV protection. A 15-minute exposure to sunlight benefits the skin as it generates vitamin D, aiding in skin rejuvenation. However, too much sunlight can lead to UV radiation exposure, which causes the skin cells to age. UV rays are responsible for skin damage and, worse, skin cancer. Adjusting your diet to include healthy foods and facial products is essential in protecting your skin from external damage. Food that protects. Blueberry. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that protect the skin from UV damage. It contains salicylic acid, which exfoliates dead skin cells and kills bacteria responsible for breakouts. Green tea. It contains polyphenols, including 𝗵𝗵𝐿𝐵𝐾, 𝗍𝐿𝐵𝐾, which repairs DNA damage caused by UV rays. Green tea, a famously calming drink, has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe skin irritation, redness, and swelling. It is also an effective shield against cellular damage and skin diseases. Bonus: tomatoes, spinach, fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Pair with White Truffle Day Moisturizer. To complete your routine, pamper yourself while fending off a stressed look from your day with a rich cream. Benefits of White Truffle Day Moisturizer. 24-hour moisturization strengthens the skin's natural barrier, improves the appearance of sun-damaged skin. Refreshing and revitalizing cream keeps you radiant throughout the day. Anti-aging properties and youthful glow. With each passing year, you may notice expression lines and wrinkles on your skin deepening, making you lose confidence and youthful glow. Your lifestyle and environment cause skin damage, including premature aging. Fortunately, there are ways to get your smooth and plump skin back. Achieve a lovely complexion with packed nutrients and high-quality products. Foods that turn back time. Avocado. The star of the trendy avocado toast contains vitamin A, which increases sebum production and reduces oily skin, keeping the skin soft. High amounts of vitamin C and E within the fruit boost collagen production, which helps restore youthful skin. Sweet potatoes. A delicious, bright orange root vegetable contains beta-carotene, an oxidant converted to vitamin A, which promotes skin cell turnover and restores skin elasticity. It also contains vitamins C and E, which protect the skin from harmful free radicals, preventing the appearance of expression lines and wrinkles. Bonus: papaya, pomegranate seeds, broccoli, carrots, and citrus fruits. Pair with Truffoire Black Truffle Instant Repair Syringe. Add the ultimate age-defying product into your routine for a renewing and rejuvenating experience and see a smoother and bouncier look. Benefits of Black Truffle Instant Repair Syringe. Reduce the appearance of wrinkles and expression lines. Depuffs under-eye bags. Deals with dark circles. Absolutely no invasive procedures, just a potent formula. Benefits of Truffoire Skincare. The Truffoire lineup is too delicious not to give a few more shout-outs to. So here are a few more products that will beautifully line your shelves and change your skin journey to the quickest and most effective path. For your eyes. If your eye area is an unsightly part to look at, let the White Truffle Eye Cream smooth and hydrate to the point of energizing. Helps with puffiness and inflammation around the eyes, repairing skin damage from UV rays and pollutants. Soothes irritated skin, under-eye bags, and dark circles. For your body. Focusing on our face is important, but don't forget the rest of our body. The Truffoire Salt Scrub is a relaxing salt scrub to exfoliate and reveals velvety smooth skin. Helps with removing dead skin cells, dirt, and toxins. Dry, cracked skin, keeping the skin supple and soft. Relaxation and rejuvenation. for your dullness. If you are worried about hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and dark spots, you already know Truffoire has your back. The Truffoire Skin Corrector is a spot treatment to get your lackluster complexion even and shining brighter than ever. Helps with dark spots, uneven skin tone, premature skin aging, redness, and irritation. Frequently asked questions: what does Truffoire do? Truffoire is a US-based gourmet skincare brand that provides high-quality products for all your skincare needs, with truffles at the center. How often to use Truffoire Instant Repair Syringe? A small amount 1 to 2 times per day, once in the morning and another at night, but really whenever you need it. Is truffle good for your skin? Truffles are rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants that provide potent nutrients for skin health. Conclusion: Truffoire products and healthy foods. Reach your skin's best by pairing products with long-lasting results and a slew of healthy foods consistently added to an even healthier lifestyle. It all comes down to committing to being your best self every day.